Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, I don't like using the microwave too much, but when I do, it's because I'm going fast. And I love that I found this microwave lid from Ikea. It has absolutely saved our microwave from messes. But thank goodness that I have this lid to control that. I love that it has these little dots right here to allow some ventilation of steam while it's actually heating up our meals. It is gray, I would say it's like a dark blue grayish kind of color. And it is small yet big enough because my microwave is pretty small, but I love that this lid fits even the smallest microwave. So that is really, really nice. So again, if you are looking for a microwave lid to keep the messes that can happen in a microwave contained, I will definitely recommend this one from Ikea. But hey, that is just my point of view.